The South Carolina State Museum opened its doors in 1988, bringing the citizens of the Palmetto State the newest and one of the finest museums in America. With 4 large floors covering art, history, natural history, and science technology, plus changing exhibits, hands-on learning, and a non-stop schedule of events and programs, the museum has something for everyone. It's South Carolina under one roof. It's the perfect place for families with young children to explore. Everything in the center is touchable, which is so important to young, learning minds. Every weekend in the Science Theater, the museum presents live, hands-on science programs. The South Carolina State Museum, 803-898-4922.